Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make custard base for ice cream only ways. Start by gathering 2 cups cream, 1 cup milk, 4 egg yolks, and 3/4 cup sugar. Warm milk and cream, whisk yolks with sugar, then temper hot liquid into yolks slowly while stirring. Cook over low heat until the mixture coats the back of a spoon, then cool quickly and chill fully before churning for creamy results. In this video, I will show how to make custard base for ice cream only ways. Combine the dairy and yolks carefully for a stable emulsion. Heavy cream provides fat for smooth mouthfeel, while whole milk thins the base just enough to freeze properly. Sugar not only sweetens but lowers freezing point, keeping scoopability. Vanilla adds aroma, and a pinch of salt brightens flavors so your custard tastes rounded and satisfying. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It helps me out a lot. Quick recommendation. A handy read is The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money. It pairs well with kitchen priorities and smart spending on quality tools. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make custard base for ice cream only ways. Always heat the milk and cream until it steams, then temper the yolks by whisking in small amounts of hot liquid to avoid scrambling. Return the tempered mixture to the pan and stir gently over low heat until it thickens enough to coat a spoon. Strain to remove any solids, cool in an ice bath, then chill thoroughly before churning for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.